Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color a cute slice of pizza and a soda cup. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw a slice of pizza. It's shaped like a triangle. Next, let's add a cute face with big, shiny eyes and a happy, smiling mouth. I'll draw some yummy sausage pieces on top. Right next to the pizza, I'll draw a soda cup, add a straw at the top, and of course, let's make it cute by drawing a happy face on the cup. Finally, let's add another heart shape to make everything look even lovely. Now, I'll use a black marker to outline the drawing and make it stand out. Time to color the pizza and soda. First, I'll use red to color the heart shapes, parts of the soda cup, and the sausage pieces. For the pizza slice, I'll use pink to make it look delicious. Great work. Now let's move on to our next drawing. Now, let's draw and color cute cupcakes. Let's start with the first cupcake. I'll draw the cup at the bottom, then the fluffy cake on top with a cherry sitting right in the middle. Next, I'll add some melted cream dripping down and give the cupcake a cute face with big eyes and a happy smile. Now, let's draw the second cupcake. What should this one look like? I'll start with the cream on top and add to mint leaves for decoration. Don't forget its adorable face. For the third cupcake, I'll draw another cherry on top and, of course, a smiling face with bright, shiny eyes. Let's move on to the fourth cupcake. Start with the cup at the bottom, then add the cream part. On top of this one, I'll draw a biscuit for a fun detail. And as always, a cute face to make it perfect. Next, let's draw the fifth cupcake. I'll keep it simple and cute with another happy face. Now, let's outline everything with a black marker so the drawing really stands out. Time to color the cupcakes. First, I'll use dark yellow to color the cupcake cups. Next, I'll use red for the cherries and green for the mint leaves. I'll use cream and brown to color the first cupcake. For the second cupcake, let's use light green. The third cupcake will have a cream top. For some extra fun, I'll use rainbow colors to decorate the frosting. I'll also use light purple and light brown for the final touches. Wow, you did such a great job! All of our cupcakes, pizza, and soda look amazing! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye!